Discover the professional method for sanding a marble floor, using a number 60 grit stone to achieve a perfectly smooth and shiny surface. In this video, you'll see a step-by-step guide on how to use the number 60 sanding stone to remove roughness and enhance the natural beauty of marble, giving it a flawless professional finish. This stage is essential for preparing the floor before the final polishing process, as it helps smooth the surface and improve the absorption of polishing materials, ensuring a luxurious and long-lasting appearance. We explain the key techniques for marble sanding, including choosing the right tools, controlling pressure during sanding, and the best methods to achieve uniform results without scratches or color inconsistencies. This process is not just about enhancing appearance, but also increasing the durability of the marble, making it more resistant to stains and future scratches. Why should you sand marble with a number 60 grit stone? Sanding with a number 60 grit stone is one of the most important steps to achieving a smooth and even surface. It helps remove minor imperfections and prepares the floor for advanced polishing processes. When done correctly, marble becomes more elegant, better reflects light evenly, and gains a high-end appearance suitable for luxurious interiors and architectural projects. In this video, we will cover all the essential details of professional sanding, from selecting the right tools to using the correct motions that ensure even pressure distribution, as well as handling corners and edges to achieve a uniform look without inconsistencies. Benefits of sanding marble with a number 60 grit stone. Removes surface scratches and imperfections that affect the marble's appearance. Helps achieve a smooth surface that is easier to polish in later stages. Enhances the marble's resistance to environmental factors, extending its lifespan. Improves light reflection, giving the marble a luxurious and radiant finish. Ensures a flawless application of final polishing and protective layers. Step-by-step process. 1. Thoroughly clean the floor to remove any dust or debris that may affect the sanding quality. 2. Use the appropriate sanding machine with a number 60 grit stone and begin sanding with even strokes. 3. Ensure all areas are covered uniformly to achieve a smooth and consistent surface. 4. Monitor the progress during sanding to adjust pressure or technique as needed. 5. Clean the floor after sanding to remove dust and prepare it for the next polishing stages. If you're passionate about